Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am eating crawfish pasta and these delicious looking sliders. So let's dig right in because I'm starving. Doesn't this look so heavenly, you guys? Like I am like drooling, salivating. It's just like the egg is chef's kiss. Like I just love when I order eggs and I actually pay extra for them and they come looking so bomb. I'm so happy with it. This will be my first time having crawfish pasta ever, I believe. I've had uni pasta, and like garlic noodles and all that, but this is going to be my first. I don't want to ruin the egg yet. It's just so pleasing to look at. So I'm just going to go from under. They do have pretty good amount of crawfish in this, and I see some, what is that kind of sausage? I see sausage as well. First bite. Oh my Jesus. This is so delicious. There is a spicy kick, so for those who can't eat spicy, you're gonna have to ask for them to make it mild because there's a kick. All I'm tasting right now is crawfish. It's amazing. It's so freaking creamy as well. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm like in astonishment right now. Oh my gosh. I hope I'm not sounding like I'm exaggerating or being too dramatic, but this is the freaking bomb. Holy crap. Sausage. Sausage isn't as juicy as I would like it to be. I just love taking bites of sausage that burst in your mouth. The noodles are like, the pasta is cooked perfectly. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to talk anymore. I just want to eat. I'm kind of struggling to get the nudes. I'm eating a little messy today, but I feel like that's a good thing because of how creamy it is. I feel like I'm gonna finish this really fast. Oh, I almost inhaled the spiciness. I would have choked. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have a drink Today I got this peach lychee green tea. I'm so excited. So yummy. Everything is so amazing so far. I don't know when I should break the egg. I'm gonna do it now actually. But it's not as yolky as I thought it would be. It just looks really good. So I'm just gonna mix everything together now. This is like the best crawfish pasta, I think. Well, I mean, I haven't had any crawfish pasta ever, but honestly, this is like so amazing. So I'm gonna go into the sliders. I feel like they're calling my name. I'm gonna go for this one first. This is what it looks like. And it's beef, so they're beef sliders with mushroom, and I don't know what the sauce is on there, but it's looking so delicious. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 Holy bejeebus. Everything is so freaking good. Like, it's kind of like unbelievable. The thing I love about sliders is that they're so cute and compact. Especially with sliders, I kind of expect each bite to be very flavorful, which this does not disappoint whatsoever. Oh my gosh. I guess you guys could tell. By the way, I didn't even say a word between bites. I really wanted to enjoy it, and it was so delicious. It's so creamy. So this whole meal is just plain old creamy all over. And this sauce here, it's I'm not good with identifying spices and sauces, so, but this is kind of, it reminds me of salad dressing, like Caesar dressing, but on the sweet side. And I really like the hints of sweetness that it gave to the cider, but it kind of was a little too sweet, so I don't know if I'll just keep going with that. But all right, let's go back into this. I'm so excited for it. Mmm. Okay, I'm gonna go for the egg. Mmm. Mmm. I'm trying to get all the egg. All right, so when I do go into they're pretty good pieces of crawfish. I don't feel like they were skimpy on it, but I do have to say they are on the salty side. Like that bite wasn't so like too bad, but the pieces I was getting earlier was just so salty. It kind of threw me off a bit. The pasta though, so delicious. You know what I feel like would be really good to kind of contrast the saltiness? I can't even talk anymore. The spice is going up my nose. Let me just take a drink. Bathtub. So, like I was saying, I feel like some rice would be so good with this dish. Maybe the sauce would be a little much on rice, but I love sauce with rice. Excuse me. All right. But yeah, sausages and crawfish with rice, because usually when I get a pound of crawfish from a seafood boil spot, I do get rice. I do eat the sauce with rice because I just honestly love rice so much. And so I feel like I'm gonna save the rest and maybe eat it with rice, because right now I kind of ate most of the pasta and I cannot bring myself to eat the sausage and this crawfish because it's a bit too salty. Second slider. I freaking love mushrooms, you guys. Okay, so all the fullness just hit me at once midway through that slider. I feel like I haven't been talking much about my personal life in my latest mukbangs because I feel like sometimes I go too into it. But if you guys do want to know anything or can give me some suggestions to some topics I can talk about, then I would love to. I also want to give an update on my green beetle situation. I really thought I wasn't going to see anymore, but I keep like getting attacked by them. Like the other day at work, I was on the phone and then one literally, like I was in the backyard of my workplace, and then one literally went into my neck and I had to like go crazy and scream. And it's gotten to the point where it's happening every day where my patients don't even like then they don't even get faced anymore. They're just like, oh, Lena's getting attacked by the green beetles like always. Like it's nothing. Like what's new, you know? It's hilarious. And I'm just like, okay, I don't even spend that much time outside anymore because I'm just afraid to. But I will let you know if I see any at the beach, because once it happens at the beach, that's when I know it's like shit's getting real. Because I mean, it is the season where a lot of dragonflies and all those flying bugs are out in the summer. So the only weird thing is that they literally just feel like they're just attacking me. Like even if I'm with somebody else, it's just like me. So a lot of people are saying it means good health, good wealth and fortune. So I thank God for that. But I just hope I mean, it's just scary. Like, they're loud, and I don't know what to do with myself when it happens. Like, I'm not calm enough to be like, okay, let's just chill with it flying here or here. Like, I can't. I just get too scared. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time. Peace.